one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. This one thing you saw made me feel it. It's this one thing you did. I can't help it. Hey guys, so welcome back. I didn't really film an intro yesterday when I filmed the video, so this will kind of serve as that. But yes, if you're feeling this hair and this look, please stay tuned. This is actually the next morning after I put it on again because I took it off last night. But yes, it looks really good, you guys. So if you're feeling this, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing the hair that I got off of Amazon. It just comes in this little bag. Inside of the packaging that comes from Amazon. And this is the bag inside. It is a 24-inch. Has a hairnet on it. And the paper on the inside. And this is what the pattern is looking like straight out of the package. On the inside you have your 4x4 closure, your 2 combs in the front, your comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. So we're going to go ahead and put it on the wig head. This is what the front is looking like. I'm definitely going to pluck it. Let's see. That's with no comb. That's how the part is looking. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to wet it a little bit and then start plucking it. Okay, so I'm just going to spray it a bit in the front. Comb it. Kind of start seeing what I'm doing. And I'm going to just start plucking in a backwards kind of motion.
For a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine in a world so full.
Hey guys, so I know I said that I pluck in a backwards motion, but I really find that making U or triangle shapes towards the hairline and tweezing all throughout that section really gives it a gradient effect that I think that you really cannot get just plucking backwards. So if you're kind of a beginner, maybe this would also help you. I'm also showing that you will get a lot of hair. It might seem like a lot, but it's kind of what it takes to get your frontal or your closure looking right. So just trust the process. I know when I was a beginner, I just really hated to see my wig lose all of that hair, but it's kind of necessary if you want the right look. So yeah, give this a try.
Pain, can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You, me, but scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now. Everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me bloom. Used to be afraid of everything, but now there's no more fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. Always thought of you as someone who can love someone like me, but I was wrong. Maybe now I believe. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us.
I've done a little plucking. I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots just a bit. I definitely don't want to over bleach them. These are very small knots, which I'm happy about. That's kind of what you always want because nobody wants thick knots. So do that, these are fine. I just kind of want to leave it on just for a little bit. I definitely don't want to weaken that because, like I said, they are thin little knots. So we're just going to do a little bit, and then we can always kind of go back in and pluck if we see that it's still not right. So I'll be using my Clairol 40 volume, and I had a packet of BW2 left laying around, so that's what we're going to use. And I'm just going to use a clear bowl, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, I just wanted to come back really quickly and kind of let you know how long I left the bleach on. I left it on for about 8 to 9 minutes. I definitely could have left it on longer, but I just did not want the drama of like over bleached knots. I just didn't want to have to fix it. But yes, if you're interested in a video of me like re-bleaching the knots, please let me know. If you guys are into like non-fast forward videos and just want to see how it really goes and how long it takes, I'm totally down for that too. Just let me know down in the comments. Okay, yeah, so I rinsed it out, and now I'm going to use my silver shampoo. This is a purple shampoo. It's supposed to take out all that brassiness and just tone it down a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it and condition it, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, and when it comes to my lace, sometimes I cut it off while it's on my head, but a lot of times I just cut it off before I even apply the wig. So in this case, that's what I'm going to do. So I would just hold the hairs back, you know, old school style, and just cut it. I'm going to cut it in kind of a jagged way if I can. So just like that. I'm just gonna take whatever's left in my foundation brush and just kind of rub it all over the closure. Guys, we're back. I know I look a tad bit crazy, but that's okay. This is what the closure is looking like so far. I'm actually really pleased. Like, this hair is so lightweight, and it's really soft. So what I love about this is it's really tight. You don't really have to do anything. Like, I could just leave it like this, but I'm going to got to be glued it just a little bit.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory.
Okay, it's looking good. So now let's start trying to get our baby hairs in line. I'm gonna go ahead and use some of my styling foam, like B&B. And just gonna start getting it wet. And then I'm going to kind of see where I want my baby hairs to be.
It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. No, get like this. Yeah. Get like this. Yeah. Get like this. She loves me not. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me?
Okay, I got my hot comb on the highest setting.
It's true, or maybe I'm the fool for you. I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had?
Okay, so this is how the front is looking. Now we're about to wet the hair. So you can obviously wear it like this if you like, but I would like to do it wet. And you can use mousse to kind of keep it in this style, but I'm again going to use my setting foam. I feel like it's more lightweight. I feel like a lot of times when you use mousse, it just gets really hard, and it I don't know, I just kind of want it to be softer, so that's why I'm using the styling foam. So just rub that really good all throughout. Okay, babe, so let's talk about this hair before we get out of here, okay? This is a Watch Your Wave Brazilian 4x4 closure wig. It is 150 density and it is a 24 inch. I was really skeptical about getting this hair because there was no reviews for it, and for $100 I was like, I know I'm about to get scammed. Like, I was really afraid. I just hit the button and like let it go. It was above me at that point. So as you can see, it's definitely doing and giving what it's supposed to be giving us. And it is said to be pre-plucked and it has baby hairs. As you know, I did pluck it. I mean, it wasn't bad, but it was definitely needing a little something. So yeah, but that's okay. I mean, even wigs that are really good pre-plucked, we still tend to pluck them anyway, so I'm not even gonna worry about that. I'm gonna leave all the specs down below in the description along with the link. If you are interested in this hair, get it now. Like, don't wait, because I don't know how long it's gonna like be $100. So definitely click the link, put in your purchase. And I got it in a flash. It was a really, they said I would get it the next day, and it really came overnight, y'all. So I definitely think that you should try this wig out. Like, the color's good. It didn't have like any bad odor or anything like that. Like, it smells really good after I shampooed it. I'm just very pleased, y'all. Very pleased. Excuse my shirt being wet, obviously. We just wet the hair. But it feels really good. I'm pleased, you guys. Like, I thought I was gonna be sad after I pulled the wig out of the bag, but I was so happy. Like, I'm not upset about anything. I feel good. And you know, it's spring, about to be summertime. I feel good, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it on your way out. If you're new here, please subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.